Welcome to our channel. Today we how to integrate Stripe payments into a no-code app step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Stripe account. If you don't have an account, create one at stripe.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Developers tab on the left side. Select the API Keys option from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find your publishable and secret keys. Keep this tab open for reference. Now, open your no-code app platform. For this example, we'll use a popular no-code tool like Bubble or Attilo. Create a new application if you haven't already. Next, look for a section where you can add plugins or integrations. Search for the Stripe plugin in the marketplace. Install the Stripe plugin into your application. After installation, go to the settings of the Stripe plugin. Input your publishable key from the Stripe API keys into the appropriate field. Similarly, input your secret key in the designated area. Make sure to save your changes after entering the keys. Now, create a new page for the checkout process. Add a form that collects necessary payment details from users. Include fields like name, email, and payment information. In the form settings, connect the action to Stripe for processing payments. Configure the success and failure response settings based on your needs. Test the payment process using Stripe's test mode. Use test card numbers provided by Stripe to simulate transactions. Make adjustments as needed based on the test results. Once you're satisfied with the testing, switch to live mode. Ensure that all settings are configured for live transactions. Finally, publish or deploy your no-code app. You are now ready to accept payments through Stripe in your no-code application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.